This product can be mounted to a camera to record audio. Follow the instructions below. Power on the transmitter and receiver, and complete the linking. If you purchase the combo with 2 transmitters and 1 receiver, the devices will automatically power on and complete the linking when taken out of the charging case. For the 1 transmitter 1 receiver combo, press and hold the power button on the side of the transmitter and receiver for 2 seconds to power them on. Mount the receiver to the cold shoe on the camera using the clip. Use the 3.5mm TRS camera cable to connect the receiver audio output to the camera microphone input. After connecting the cable, reduce the camera gain as suggested below to avoid audio clipping. When using Sony cameras, set the recording volume to 1 dB. For Canon cameras, switch the recording mode to manual and set the recording level to the 4th notch from the left. With Nikon cameras, adjust the microphone sensitivity to around 3. For Fujifilm cameras, configure the microphone port to microphone and set the external microphone volume to approximately -28.5 dB. On Panasonic cameras, set the recording level to around -12 dB. After adjusting the camera gain, rotate the dial on the receiver to increase the gain for better audio quality.